There are many inexpensive ways to boost the value in the buyer's eye and maximize the sale price of your home. I am Dr. Ron Repacy, your real estate doctor with Coastal Intl Properties. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell to my YouTube channel, which is Your Real Estate Doctor. I'm going to bring you 5 cool tips to bring you more of this, to bring you more money. And we're going to do that right now. The first tip I have is paint. One of the simplest ways is to pick up a jug of paint and a paintbrush. But paint is a very, very effective way to boost the value of your home, and it can boost the value of your home thousands of dollars. So one of the starting points for an inexpensive tip to brighten and draw a buyer and the desire of the buyer to purchase your home and pay top dollar is to update the painting scale. Some of the calming interior colors right now are the calming blues, the neutral colors, neutral tones, gray with green and yellow undertones, deep berry, violet, lilac, and also primary and clean bright colors that are popping, that add to the pop of the accenting of your home. The top Sherwin-Williams 2022 interior color is Evergreen Fog, and that's Sherwin-Williams 9130. So again, these calming colors, these neutral colors, the brightening of the home, it's become really, really popular these days. The exterior colors are the warm, kind of earthy neutral tones, the white, warm, and creams, these lighter colors again. Dusty charcoals are also becoming popular. Gray, the green and the green blue colors on the exterior are really popular now as well. So that's another entity, the exterior home, which is not terribly expensive to do some updating there. And even doing the door accenting can really add massive value, massive draw to your home. So really consider, when looking to maximize the value and potential of your home that you're selling, let's start out with my number 1 tip is paint. So that's your starting point. The number 2 tip to maximize the sale price of your home is modernizing fixtures. These could be fixtures and faucets. Modern light fixtures, that's become a really big thing right now. The contemporary styling, the LED lighting, even if it's recessed lighting, updating those fixtures to the LED style. The LED accenting that you can change colors, which I'm actually going to do in my office here to allow for different color scales above and below cabinetry is really, really neat. The one thing that's kind of out, I'll just go like this, is the brass, the brass chandelier, the brass fixtures. That's kind of not a thing right now. So let's do away with the brass. Wood architecture, the rustic look, that's kind of popular right now. And then the overhead pendants and elegant sculptural styles and shapes are really, really popular right now. One of the things I did print off is just some colors. When it comes to paint, some of these lighter tones, this is just a print off of my printer. So just some things that you can think about for light color scales. And I'll show you some of these other things in a moment. But when it comes to number 2, which is the modern fixtures and faucets, some of the things that are really popular also in your kitchen is these touchless and pull down style faucets in your kitchen are really popular. And in the bathroom, they're doing kind of the offset spigots and also the wall mounted and waterfall faucets, which I really like, which I did print off an example of that. Again, these are just printed. You can see, hopefully in this right here, the waterfall one, that's really, really neat. And I also really love this style here too. So there's all kinds. Some of these involve LED lighting, just some more modern fixtures over here. And then the squared off sinks and things, which we're going to talk about in a moment as well, are really, really popular now too. So these are some things that you can do, updating the kitchen faucets. Again, modernizing the fixtures with the contemporary styling. People love it. It's gonna really kind of bring to the buyer that these are things that they don't have to do to bring your home from being outdated up to the current what is popular look. So it just I think it just settles their mind that, hey, this house is modernized. It's the way it's the way we would have hoped it would have been, and so it can really bring added value. The number 3 way to maximize the sale price of your home is updating the bathrooms. So the clean lines, the spa-like feels and surfaces, that's really popular right now. These modern designs, the squared off sinks, which I was trying to show you a moment ago. Even these trough sinks are really popular. You'll see in a lot of the magazines, the freestanding tubs and wet rooms, the extra thick countertops and curvy lines they're really in right now, that whole spa feel, the large shower. We're very familiar now with these fancy high-tech shower heads, kind of this vacation inspired look. Can get a little more costly maybe in doing that level of renovation if it's your shower and your bathroom reno, but it can bring really, really, really big dollars into your pocket because people just love these modern looks in the bathroom. Even candle lighting and scenting is really popular. So there are things to really consider as the number 3 way to maximize the sale price of your home is updating that bathroom. The number 4 way to maximize the sale price of your home is kitchen counters and appliances. Now, the quartz is becoming the granite of the past. Granite is still popular, but quartzite, porcelain, concrete, cement, and even in some cases, the wood look is really popular right now. So that's something to consider. There's actually some really, really really nice designs, textures, and colors in the quartz counters that I really, really love. Appliances, the white and black refrigerator, stovetop, they're kind of out. So replacing them with the stainless steel will really brighten that kitchen, really, really bring a pop that people love. The kitchen is the gathering place. I don't know a whole lot of my friends and people that I gather with that we gather in that dining room. That's really become kind of an area that isn't attended to much. It's the gathering place is the kitchen. So really, really consider the kitchen when you're looking into, doing some of these updates, and swapping out with some of the modern stainless steel looks is a really, really good idea. I have my little bottle here. The next number 5 tip, and if you hear some noises, it's my puppy dog in the background. He's usually here with me, so I hear him roaming around. He just had a little snack. With that said, maybe if I'll grab him, I can show him on camera. The number 5 tip, something to do away with. Number 5, smells. If I walk into your home and it smells like animals and there's a urine smell, it's not really good. The buyers are probably not going to love that. So if you have dogs, cats, etc., guinea pigs, finding the source of the odor is really critical. Not trying to cover it up using incense. It doesn't work very well to try and cover up smells. If it's in the carpet, so if it's in the padding, you're going to have to really consider replacing that carpet, the carpet itself. Really popular flooring is now this porcelain look. This porcelain tile that looks like wood that's really popular throughout the home, but also in the bedrooms. So that's something to really consider, give that modern look and feel, again, if you're bringing the house up to date. So having that fresh scent in your home during open houses and whatnot, and just general and presenting your home. The candle scents, I love the pumpkin spice, but also baking, chocolate chip cookies, wonderful ways to just bring a draw, bring that hometown feel to the buyer. And it's going to drive them to bring more dollars to the buy, to buying your home. So these are some really good things to maximize the sale price of your home. Reviewing paint colors and looking at painting your home is a simple tip. Modernizing your fixtures and faucets. Number 3 was updating bathrooms. Number 4 was countertops and appliances. And number 5, making sure your house smells yummy, y'all. So I hope you enjoy these 5 inexpensive tips to bringing massive value and bringing dollars into your pocket. I am Dr. Ron Repacy, your real estate doctor with Coastal Intl Properties. I will be bringing you more of these videos each week. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. We'll be doing some editing and improving as I continue to bring you wonderful tips and massive value, in this case, to selling your home and attracting these buyers to giving them what they're really looking for and making them more willing to pay you more for your home to maximize your in-pocket dollars. So with that said, we're going to wrap up for today. I appreciate you watching. If you watched all the way through, yes. Again, Dr. Ron Repacy, your real estate doctor, signing off, and blessings to you all.